Here's where the problem with the switch lies. So actually I was wrong. This actually is already broken all the way. So they had just 4 screws, little screws, running into the back of these. Those little plastic studs are what breaks off. So we'll go ahead and take these all out. And then we're going to drill small holes in here. Just find a drill bit that fits already basically a pilot there for you. So you can flip it over. You got exact holes where you need to be. Unscrew those screws. You don't need those anymore. Take those plastic stud ends and get rid of them. So what I got to fix these is these little screws here. They're Allen head cap screws. These ones are stainless. You don't need stainless, but that's the only ones I found. I couldn't find regular black oxide ones, but with little washers, lock washers for them for the back. These are 440 by 1/2 inch. So I'll go ahead and drill them out to fit these nice and snug, and then we'll start assembling it.